In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar offline. This is especially useful when you need to access your calendar but find yourself without an internet connection. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or experiencing a temporary outage, having access to your calendar offline can be a lifesaver. So let's dive right in and get started with setting it up. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to your Google Calendar. You can do this by typing calendar.google.com into the address bar, or if you prefer, use any shortcuts you have set up. Once you have your Google Calendar open, draw your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a small gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings of Google Calendar. Click on this gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option marked Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a menu of options categorized under General. In this list, you'll see an option labeled Offline. Go ahead and click on Offline. This section is where you can control your offline calendar access. The next step is very straightforward. In the center of the screen you will see a toggle or button that says Turn on Offline Calendar. Click on this button. What this does is allow your Google Calendar to save some of your calendar information locally on your device, thus enabling you to access it even when you don't have internet connectivity. Once you've turned on this feature, Google Calendar will need to initiate a sync to download your calendar data for offline use. To kickstart this syncing process, you should see an option that says Reload Now. Click Reload Now. This command will refresh your calendar and begin syncing the data onto your local device storage. And that's it, you've successfully set up Google Calendar to be used offline. A few key points to keep in mind. When you are offline, you will be able to view your calendar, but you won't be able to make any changes or view updates until you're back online. It's also worth noting that depending on how much data you have, the initial sync might take a little while, so be patient. Remember, this setup offers a solid backup for all those moments when the internet is out of reach, ensuring that you always have access to your important dates and appointments. If you make changes while offline, they'll sync up once you're reconnected. So go ahead and enjoy this newfound flexibility, and rest easy knowing that your schedule is always at your fingertips.